Black bear. Oh, there's one here too. It's a bear fight, Beth.
Are you doing any videoing?
Yep, right now.
Look at the little path he's made.
Oh, I'm just gonna chew this cardboard and then pounce on him. Probably. Kill him! Get him from behind.
Their pond's a little mucky, but that's probably because they just tumble and roll and knock all the stuff into it.
Probably. Well, they get the crap in their fur too, and they go lay in the water.
Look at him on the log.
He's gonna fall over. Oh, yep, there we go.
My log, get away.
What a jerk. He's like, I'm gonna tip you over. Look at that. What the crap? It's like, I'm gonna get on it now. Oh, they're so cute.
Oh, my
Don't
God.
think you're gonna get up in the tree there, buddy.
Oh, they're trying to get up to eat the leaves?
Probably. You just saw one eat a dead one, so. Get off of me, fly.
Yeah, I see some nips at the lower leaves. Oh. Poor boy. I wish I could give him leaves.
Do it and fall.
Oh!
Ah, he almost got it. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, get wrecked. Ooh, somebody's a little pissy. If that was moved over a little bit to, like, the leaves on the right, I could get it.
Yeah.
Be smart, not dumb.
I think that's why I was pushing it earlier.
Maybe.
Get a different position.
Ooh. It's like you threw off my groove. What the heck? I'm digging. She's digging now. They don't make much sound.
No, they don't. Oh, gosh.
Oh, mean. Ow! He's got his ear. Oh, no, he doesn't. Got the side of his face. Oh, he's really gripping. Stinking flies. Boy. We're going at it.
That one might be a grizzly, because its ears are more round. No, I don't know. It's so hard to tell.
Dude! He's biting hard, holy crap. I've had enough of your shenanigans.